Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great. And I would like to say that and today I'm going to tell you something about New Year, and I'm sitting on this soil to speak something about that. And if you are new over here my channel, please subscribe, like, and share because already I have told you many more times to subscribe my channel and. Please do subscribe, and then definitely you can speak in English fluently and properly from this channel because I have uploaded many more videos on my YouTube channel. If you want to search my ID, then definitely you can search, and then definitely you can speak right and how to communicate to others. That's what you can know everything very well from that videos. But still, today I'm here to speak something about the New Year because what the new year brings to our life and what is the meaning of new year and is this mean a lot to us this year or not. That's what I'm going to tell you about that. Okay, so let me tell you something about that. New year is a part of our body, and first of all I would like to say happy new year, and it is a very prosperous day, and here is to a fresh start today. So that's why everybody would be happy at his home, and everybody became happy last night. In my point of view, I would like to say that as far as I know that, but still I would like to say that definitely this year make you happy and make you happiness and make you a day in your life, and this prosperous day will bring your life lots of happiness and lots of opportunity on your hands. And I would like to say to the God, by the God of grace everything will be fine in your life, and by the God of grace everything you will be good in your life as far as I know that, because God wish, people wish is God's wish. That's what it is always depend on you how time will you effort in your life and how much time will you spend um, of your study and of your anything, whatever time you have, and that's what how can you spend into that, and how can you get into that field. That's what the main thing, and I would like to say that always God tells to us, please you always try to go right way. You don't go to any other option way as if you put down on yourself and you cannot take out from that situation. You always get stuck in the middle of that time. Still you have to take out from that situation. I know that everyone nowadays has everyone is everyone is in hot water right now, so what can be done in that time, but still that's what it happened for everyone. And this type of new year when that came towards ourselves at that time, we make happy and we make fun, we make lots of things in our life last night, and that's what I cannot recall our mind, and I cannot think about that. Really, last night I have left everything, whatever we achieved and we have achieved, and whatever I have learned, that's what already I have missed off. That's what you think. Someone or the other, I think that someone or the other will be thinking like that today, and this year I think that I pray to the God because It's not like that. You cannot do hard work in your life, and you are thinking about that. I cannot do a hard work, but still I'll get a job. I will get succeed in my life. It is not going to happen, but I think that this prosperous day brings in your life so much happiness. First of all, I would like to say, and it is a matter of great happiness that 2024 flooded away from our life last night, and how can we stay, and how can we remain in this year? That's what I have to think about that, and you don't think about that later. We have left everything, but now the time has come to you to showcase your skill and talent. That's what the main thing. And always God says to us, please you don't get into other words. Always the God is a thing who creates you lots of happiness with lots of brings so much love, money, fame, name, everything. God has everything to send to you, but still that's what you have to focus your talent in this year, because that's what as I'm not I not have not become a software engineer right now, but still I want to become an engineer in my life. That's what I take a I take I'm taking an oath today after talking to you in the form of in front of camera right now. So now I'm going to take an oath from everyone. Whatever it is this year, I have to get a job, because I'm turned 25, 26. I think that still that's what it turned everything in my life, and I know that in my if I talk about myself, I I have gone through a bad phase, and I have gone a favor of a person. So that's why today I have left in my life and everything. So that's why I would like to say that that's what keep practicing and keep learning. Everything will be fine, and I would like to say that don't into a bad mess. Always stay on yourself, and always be calm, and always be positive, and it it messages the positive vibes, and it makes you so nicely, and those who have chronic person, that boy is the very happiness in the world in my point of view. But still I would like to say that those have coming person cunning person, that boy can make you laugh and make you cry and make you everything whatever you have to you want to, anything, any type of happiness. That's why that boy always can relate you, and it brings positive vibes. That was the main thing about our life and about our future and about our everything. Getting my point? So today, why I'm going to tell you like that? Because that's what everybody has grown through a bad phase. They cannot go any right way to get succeed. Because this year, for me and everything, everyone will be thinking like that. This year, our last year, to complete our mission. whatever it is. That's what I have to mission or complete our mission. I have to get into that field as if we can get lots of opportunity on our hand, and lots of opportunity to get, as if we can happiness, we can remain happiness at our home, we can make proud our parents, our grandmother, grandfather, everything, whoever are eagerly waiting for your job and your succeed. That's what you can never lose your hope. At least always try to be calm, and always try to take positive vibes in your mind, and don't enter any bad things into your mind. That's why you always keep your fresh mind, and that's what you go on your life. Everything will be fine in your life by the God of grace. This is the how the world works. That's what it happened for everyone. Don't ever that today. Um, I didn't get anything. It didn't be happen in my life. So that's why today. That's why today I left my life. I lost my life, and I have lost everything in my past. That's why you don't think about that. Definitely, it will be good for you. The time has come to you, and that day is not for to get a job. That day is not for to become anything, whatever you want to. That's what you have to become of that. But still, nothing become of that. Getting my point, what I'm saying. So that's why there is still time. Please mend your ways, and that's what go on your life fully, and be serious. Always be serious in your life, because life is a one thing, and life is a one who made you an officer, and government sector or private sector, it doesn't matter. Getting my point. So that's what I'm going to tell you very simple sentences, because if I speak every day simple sentences, then definitely it will be easy to understand, and it will be easy to speak to others, and whatever you learn from my channel, that's what it is going to be very simple sentences. Don't worry about that. This type of simple sentences can make you a fluent speaker. Okay, so you don't worry about that. That's what you have to do, and always makes manner perfect. Getting my point. So I suggest to the everyone, please don't waste your time. Whatever you have left in your life, that's what you um, you let it be, and go to hell. Everything in your life, and don't mess to others. Always try to focus on yourself, and you always try to make advantage of this offer, and that's what you have to do. Okay, it's not like that. You cannot tell me about that. You can become ignorant even knowing everything. That's why you don't tell me like that. Okay, you always try to focus on yourself, and actually what are you doing. That's what happened in your life. Actually, what happened in your life, that's what you have to keep focus on that, and then you practice, and solving program, and in this year you have to get a job, whatever it is. That's what, if the sky, if, this earth will be collapsed, but still, despite of this, I have to get a job. We have to get a job. That's what today I'm going to tell you about that. Because this year, 1 year is the means a lot to us, and 1 year is an apple of our eyes. Without your life seems empty. How often will tell you? How often will I tell you? 100 times already. I have told you 100 times. Getting my point. So that's why I would like to say. That's what keep on doing. Many more. Whatever you want to, and that's what I will I would like to say whatever you have learnt, that was that to be past, but not now. This is the present time to showcase your talent and skill, and how much you have skill. That's what you have to showcase. Getting my point? What I'm saying? So that's why keep on doing, and makes practice makes man perfect. Okay.